Hello everybody and welcome to Immediate Meteorology. In today's video we'll be talking about Invest 92L that is currently in the Atlantic Ocean. We will talk about all the model guidances and where we could see it mainly going. Before the video starts, if you like weather content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell to never miss an upload. Also, today is Monday. And today's one of the days I will be uploading weekly every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So our first image that we're looking at here is our 2-day graphical tropical weather outlook. We have a 80% chance of a tropical depression and storm, tropical depression forming. So that's a pretty high percent chance. So most likely this will turn into at least a tropical depression. So yes, there's a very high chance for that happening. Here is our satellite imagery like you saw in the thumbnail for this storm. It's not too together, I guess you could say, yet. It's still here and there and not too healthy, but that's why it's still in its stages of forming into a tropical cyclone. So, it still needs a little while, a couple more days, and it should be formed pretty well and very healthy storm. Here is our marine surface plot. Nothing much to see here, just the fact that it's in the Atlantic Ocean. And then here we're going to go ahead and take a look at our model track guidances. Here is just our global model track guidances. Most of them are pointing to it sort of going northwest, just passing north of places like Haiti, and by the time it reaches sorta the area of Cuba, they're looking like it's gonna curve north and then start to go along the Atlantic Ocean. This does look kind of similar to last year when Dorian was formed, if any of you remember that. But most likely, I don't think it'll be that serious because last year Dorian was just crazy. It stayed over the Bahamas for days, and eventually it curved up the east coast. This is also saying that, but obviously that is very, very far ahead in time, so we're still not 100% sure. It could always all of a sudden curve south, hit Cuba, and even go into the Gulf of Mexico. But most of the models are saying it's going to head northwest for now. Here are our GFS ensembles. Also, all these models are saying the same thing too, and a lot of them are saying this could be a very strong storm, even up into hurricane status, especially around there near the east coast. But it's looking like it's going to curve up north, not really along the east coast, but the closest state it would get to is most likely going to be North Carolina and maybe southern Virginia, and then eventually New England. But that's where we're most likely going to see it getting closer to shore, and we could have some inland impacts. But like I said, all of these models are curving. Most of these models are curving northward along the east coast, and then we only have two really models that go into the Gulf of Mexico there. Now here are our CMC ensembles. Same thing too, except we have two models having it going inland across Florida and just go also traveling along the East Coast. But yeah, this is really where we're gonna see it move. Eventually, once this thing turns into a tropical depression, we should get a cone forecast from the National Hurricane Center and NOAA. finally, here's our Invest 92L model intensity guidance. So a lot of them are saying that right now, it's low, pretty low right now, but very soon it's going to ramp up into a tropical storm. We do have sort of two models going into Cat 1 hurricane status ship and HWF2, but that is very unlikely, at least for now. But a lot of them are saying it's going to quickly climb into tropical storm status, and kind of most of the models are saying it's going to stay a little bit steady and stay in that tropical storm status. But obviously, some of them are still gradually going up, so we could see Cat 1 hurricane status. Now, before the video ends just now, I just wanted to say a little thing about Hurricane Hannah. It is now not a hurricane, not a tropical storm. It is now, I am most likely, a tropical depression and is inland in Mexico. So that's why I didn't have any big updates about that. Now with that, I thank you all for watching. If you enjoy weather content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell to never miss an upload. Stay tuned for my next upload, which will be on Wednesday, and then the upload after that on Friday. So with that, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.